I will take you straight into the invisible, into the darkness from which things are born into the light. Imagine a small seed laying in damp, rich, flavorful, buzzing with live soil. But this seed is there in complete darkness. There is no perception of time, space, only floating in absolute darkness. Then the moment arrives for the seed to sprout. It puts out a shoot with the full strength of its core, with the most power it possesses within, with the strongest desire to come out into the light. The darkness is supporting the little strong seed with nutrition, provides space for it to root itself. And here comes the moment where the manifestation of the seed is seen and its growth is visible to the eye. Now, close your eyes. Your mind is quiet and you are fully present with yourself. You can feel your body, you can feel the air running into your lungs at every soft, deep breath and the warm release of every exhale. There is this ever-embracing darkness around you. Now open your eyes. It's very bright and you find yourself on the top of the mountain, a very high mountain. The highest peak out here, everything else is way below and very far away. But don't be afraid of finding yourself on the top of the mountain. You can embrace the feeling and hold the supporting hand stretching down from somewhere even higher than the peak you are standing on. You are truly safe to embrace the feeling of standing high up. Don't be afraid to take the deepest breath of the sky. You can breathe deeply, freely and calmly. There is no rush to take those deepest breath-ins and to release the widest breath-outs. Embrace the air at its fullest. Now, don't be afraid to look into the far. You cannot yet reach those sights, but they are already here to view from far away. Embrace the beauty of what lays far ahead of you. You can absorb every detail, every downhill and uphill curve, every prominent to the eye distant object, and every illusion distant colors and the play of light and shadow create. Don't be afraid to jump on the top of the mountain. This mountain is a soft cushion, strong and sturdy at the same time. Feel the joy from every jump you take. Embrace the feeling of joy. You are always loved to do so, to embrace your experiences and those pure creative expressions. This is an imaginary story created out of nowhere from never-ending, ever-stretching field, the potential for everyone's creativity in whichever form it manifests into the reality. I hope this video gave you an understanding on the level of feeling about the common source of creativity. In my future videos, I will continue the discussion. Subscribe if you are interested in expanding your creative potential, and in my channel, every imaginary story has a chance to become a true story. Embrace your creative self. Until next video.